Hello, welcome to TextureMath. In this session, we will discuss another method of Python, which is min. So min method is a vice versa method of max method because in max method it returns the maximum value of the input object, but in min method it will return the minimum value of the input object. Okay, so you can see for the first scenario we are storing data in a list which is 52819. So what it will do, it will process that data and it will return the value which is minimum value. Okay, so in that case it will return 1 because 1 is the minimum value here. So let's verify the same by executing the program. So I will write python session 48.py, and if I hit enter here, so it will return the value as 1. For the first scenario it is returning 1, which is correct because this is the minimum value. Alright, so likewise if you go to this second scenario, in second scenario what we are doing, we are directly passing the values. So 5, 2, 8, 10, 9. So what it will do, we are not passing any variable, we are just passing the value as directly. So what it will do, it will look for the minimum value. So in this case the minimum value is 2, and that's why it is returning the value as 2. So this is the second scenario. In third scenario we are using string as a element of list. So what it will do, it will check for the minimum value in terms of lexicographical values. Okay, so as per the lexicographical value, the minimum value among these three is apple, so that's why it is returning as apple. Now look at the fourth scenario. Here we are storing the data as an element of tuple. So this is tuple. If you are not aware about the tuple and list, then for now you can easily understand that bracket, if you are using square bracket for storing the data, it is list, and if you are using parenthesis for storing the data, then it is a tuple. So we are just passing the tuple as a argument to this function. So what it will do, it will check for the minimum value. So in this case the minimum value is 1 and it is returning 1. Let's do some modification, make it as 100, and let's check now what would be the output. So in this case the output is 2 because now the minimum values got changed. Okay, so yeah, these are the scenarios which we can use with minimum method, and mostly we use min and max function together in a program because sometimes it is required to identify like which value is the maximum in the function and which one is the minimum in the data. So in that case we can use this min max method. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching TextureMath.